Well, hi guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Hitway Bk35 folding electric bike. Stay tuned. So welcome to a review on the Hitway Bk35. As always, it came very well boxed, comes with all the tools, charger, everything you need. In actual fact, I had this up and running in about 15 minutes. Super easy to put together. Literally everything's done for you. Just put the handlebars in and charge the battery, put the seat in, and you're good to go. It's that quick. So all legal, this one. UK, EU legal, 250 watts. 15.5 miles an hour. There's your compliance sticker there on the handlebars. So this particular model comes with a 6 amp hour battery, 36 volt removable, takes about 5 hours to charge. You can get a more expensive version with the 9 amp hour battery. So same display here that we see on a lot of these e-bikes. Just hold the power button there for a few seconds. Powers it up. Got your miles an hour, your battery, your odometer, trip. You've got 3 power assist levels on this. 1, 2, 3. Little bell. Hold the minus button and you've got a walk assist. Hold the plus and that puts the light on the front there. Little headlight there. So very, very light, this bike, 17 kilos. So it's a folding design bike and a removable battery. I'll show you that next. So this is a folding design. I've not seen this before. You kind of have to just find yourself like an Allen key or something. You basically put in there, undo the locking mechanism, which undoes the locking mechanism. And then on the bars here, pull the pin out, so then there's the bike will fold like so. So you end up with the bike folded like that, and it's extremely light, 17 kilos just to pick up. So that's great. So this battery, you can either charge it on the bike through the port at the back there, or you get 2 keys. Simply just put the key in, turn the key, and the battery just simply slides off. It's a very compact little unit. You can charge that indoors. Takes about 5 hours to charge, and then you just slide it in, and that's it, job done. I'm 5'7" tall with a 30-inch inside leg, so this bike feels extremely light, which it is. I've got my seat set quite high, but really, really comfortable, nice comfortable seat. I do like these grips. It's just a really fun little bike. So if you were much shorter than me, say you were 5'4", you'd be absolutely fine with this bike. If you were 6 foot, you'd be fine as well. These bars go up as well, so fits a wide range of riders. The handlebars are adjustable as well, up and down. As I said, LCD display. We've got cable brakes, which work absolutely fine for a bike like this. No problems at all with those. Single speed. So all very simple, all very cheap. Absolutely an ideal little bike if you wanted to put it in the back of your car, or get off a train, or put it in your motorhome or your caravan, that sort of thing. Now it fits quite a wide range of riders, about 5 foot tall to over 6 foot. There's a lot of adjustment there on the seat, very comfortable seat. So anyway guys, that's just the initial little quick walk round. I'd say for the money, what you're getting here is a very convenient, fun little bike. So let's do this test ride, shall we? Hitway Bk35. Oh, great little fun bike. So convenient little side stand, quite a comfortable seat, feels absolutely tiny but great fun. So to turn it on, just hold the power button for a few seconds, Nice LCD display. See these on a lot of e-bikes. Got your speedo, assist levels 0, 1, 2 or 3. We'll start off in 1. You've got your battery level, odometer, trip and volts and time. So yeah, we'll just start off in assist level 1. So here we go. So cadence sensor, power comes in after a couple of turns. That's nice. It's a very, very smooth, quiet little bike. So 6 miles an hour, assist level 1, 2, that's better, that's lovely. Just gentle cruising through the countryside here in Dorset, south of England. So little wheels on this, but they're still rolling well, and the good thing with little wheels is it's really, really nippy. It's great fun. Can't even hear the motor out the back. Assist level 3, that's better. So we're going to go up a bit of a hill now, so this little bike's going to have to do some work. Come on, little motor. So there's 14, nearly 15 miles an hour, so that's pretty good, up quite a steep hill. I'm only giving it a little bit of power from my legs. So obviously, you know, designed for city work really, but just riding down a light track now, and no suspension on this, but the seat's comfortable, and this is still rolling reasonably well down here. So if you had to do a bit of gravel track work on this little Bk35, still doing it okay. It's not ideal, but it can do it, look. So the little Bk35 is a very versatile little bike. The main thing is it's really, really good fun. Brilliant. These grips feel really nice. So little narrow bars, but everything about this bike is compact. It's meant to be that way, so you can just put it in the boot of your car. So it zoomed up this hill really easily. So 250 watt bike, 15.5 miles an hour. So whizzing along nicely now on the level. Very nice, a little bit of power. I'm not doing much at all, the bike's doing most of it. So back to assist level 2. It's down to about 9-10 miles an hour. Assist level 3 again. 15.5. Just try these cable brakes out. Whee, big skid. And yeah, they're powerful. So I guess with these little mini MIDI bikes, they're absolutely ideal to put in the boot of your car if you've got to do an onward journey somewhere. Put them on the train, take them off a train, ride to work, do some shopping, that sort of thing. So they're really good fun to ride. And for the money, this is a great value. It's nicely built, quiet, really good fun to ride. So far I've been very impressed with the little Bk35. As far as mini bikes go, this one's really good fun. So let's have a final thoughts, guys. So there you go, guys, the Hitway Bk35 mini folding electric bike. Great fun that was, and an amazing value for money. So let's just take a final look round. Start at the top here. So nice clear LCD display. Shows you all your information, speed, assist levels, odometer and trip and your battery. You've got a little bell, the usual comfortable grips that we get on a lot of these bikes, nice for your palms. Cable operated brakes, work well, stop well. A comfortable seat which suits a wide range of riders from about 5 foot tall to well over 6 foot. Just a small little 6 amp hour battery on this. You can get the 9 amp hour version. I like the fact that it, you know, undoes with a key. You can take it off the bike easily. Full length mud guards, decent brakes, side stand, cadence sensor, pedals that fold. Obviously it's a folding design. The bars fold there and folds there, and it folds very compactly, and it's nice and light, so you can easily lift it into the back of your car. Single speed, nice and simple. Little tiny wheels, 16 by 2.5, but they roll well and it's really nippy. But overall, all the welds look good. Must admit, it does look quite nice in the white and black. So if you're in the market for a mini e-bike, take a look at the Hitway Bk35. I think you'll be impressed with it for the money. So there you go, guys, the Hitway Bk35. Please give me a like, share, subscribe, and I shall catch you in a week or so for another two-wheeled review. Ride safe, guys, all the best, and bye for now.